Same sign, add and copy. Different signs, subtract and follow the bigger numbers sign. For today's video, we'll learn how to add positive and negative numbers. Basta't sundan mo lang ang dalawang rules, madali mo lang itong gawin. Ano-ano ang mga rules na iyon? First, same signs, add the numbers, keep the sign. Second, different signs, subtract the numbers, keep the sign of the bigger number. Let's have an example for rule number 1. Positive 5 plus positive 3. Pareho ang sign, so anong gagawin natin? I-add lang natin ang number, then copy the sign. Now, let's add the number. 5 plus 3 is equal to 8, then copy the sign, which is positive. We don't need to write the positive sign in front of the number. Bakit? They can be confusing, lalo na pag addition. Let's have another example. Negative 4 plus negative 6. Pareho ang sign, so add lang ang number. 4 plus 6 is equal to 10. Then, copy the sign, which is negative. Kaya ang sagot natin ay negative 10. Let's move on to rule number 2. Positive 7 plus negative 4. Different sign, subtract. 7 plus negative 4 is equal to positive 3. Bakit positive 3 ang sagot natin? Kasi malaki yung 7 at positive sign. Kaya ang sagot natin ay positive 3. Let's switch. Negative 9 plus positive 5. So, ganun pa rin ang gagawin natin. Different sign, subtract. Negative 9 plus positive 5 is equal to negative 4. Negative 4 ang ating sagot kasi mas malaki ang 9 at ang sign nito ay negative. Kaya mo din itong gawin, basta tandaan lang, same sign, add and copy. Different signs, subtract, and follow the bigger numbers sign. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to follow, like, and share. Kita-kits tayo sa susunod kong video. Bye-bye!